Hi everyone, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix the action can't be completed because the folder or a file in it is open in another program. First things first, you want to open the command prompt. So you want to search for CMD, right-click, and open as administrator. Here in CMD, you want to type the following command. First is task kill /f I'm explorer.exe. Then you want to press enter. After that, open Task Manager and press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Here in Task Manager, you want to click on File and select Run New Task. Then you want to type explorer.exe, then press enter again. Here in CMD, type the following command by replacing your folder path with the actual path of the folder you want to delete by typing rd/s/q, and then you want to insert here your folder path. For example, rd/s/q, and then enter user, your username, documents, and to delete, and then just press enter once you are done. After this, just close CMD, then press again the Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager again. Click then on File and select Run New Task. Lastly, type explorer.exe again and press enter for the last time. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.